Hello friends, so today we are going to cover our next chapter and that is square and cube roots. Now this chapter is very important. Now I'll show you how to find square root and cube roots of the given number. So you all must be wondering, I have written all this square up to 10 only. Why not up to 20 or up to 100? Why? Because up to 10 we will get all the digits and what we are going to check the last digit, because it is 1 only, so it will be 1, or instead of this I can write 01 or 04, 09. So this is the last digit, or we will say unit place digit, right? So these are the last digit of the numbers. Now suppose that the given number is 256. The given number is 256. And if I wanted to find out the square root of 256, how I will find out? If I know the squares up to 100 or 1000, then it is well and good. But it is like almost not possible. I am not saying it is impossible, because impossible itself is I am possible. But it is very difficult to remember all the squares. So I am going to tell you the methods to find out square roots. Now the first point is, or the first question is 256. Our number is 256. Or I can write 256 raised to 1 by 2. That is square root. Now 256. We have to divide the number into two places or two digits. So this is 56 and this is 2. Or we can write 02, so that will be 2 only. Now 56, we have to check this number. I am writing 56 over here. We have to check this number. And what is that? 6. Now we will ignore this 5. We will ignore that 5. The last digit is 6 number. Now we have to check with the help of this table. You can make this table, and up to this we all know the squares, right? What is square? First we will understand 2 square. It means 2 into 2, and that is 4. We all know these things, right? Now 6 is the last digit number. Over here you can see in 4 square the last digit is 6, and in 6 square, the last digit is also 6. So, I am highlighting this 2. That is 4 and 6. So, it is possible that 4 and 6 will be the last digit of the number. I am just removing this question for some time so that we will get enough space. Now, 4 and 6. What are the numbers? 4 and 6. This is confirmed. Now, we have to check. Or I am writing like this, 4 and 6. There is possibility that the last digit will be 4 or it will be 6. Now we have to check for the first digit. For the first digit, what we will see? The number. Over here it is 2. Now we have to check which square is less than 2. If we will check for 4, now we will check for 2 square, or it is 4. 4 is greater than 2. So we won't go for that. We will check for 1. 1 square is 1. Now 1 is less than 2. Yes. So we will write 1. Correct? 1 will be our first digit. 1 will be our first digit. Now we have to check whether our answer is 14 or it is 16. We got two options. The first one is 14 and the second one is 16. Now we have to check whether 14 is our correct option or 16. For that, what you have to check? You got this number, that is 1. Correct? Now after 1, which is next number? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. After 1, which is the number is there? It is 2. So you have to multiply 1 with 2. So it is 2. Correct? 1 into 2, that will be 2. Now, if the number, that is this number, is equal to or greater than, what I am saying, the number which we get is equal to or greater than the number that is first digit, it means our answer will be greater. 14 and 16, I am writing 16 is greater than 14, correct? 16 is greater than 14 and 2 is greater than equal to 2. This 2 is this, that is 1 into 2, and this 2 is our first digit. That 2 is our first digit. Now you have to check which condition is true. So I'll write this is multiplication and this is the first digit. Now instead of this 2, our question will be, if our question would be 356, then our first digit is 3. 56 will be as it is, but our first digit is 3. Then 3 is greater than equal to 2? No, it is 3 is greater than 2. Then we will take the number that is 16. But over here, it is 2. It means 2 equals to 2. Now instead of 356, the number would be 156. Then same way we have to check. So this 2 equals to 2, it means 2 equals to 2, it means the number is greater. If instead of that we will be getting something, say 3 is greater than equals to 4, then it means 3 will be multiplication and 4 will be our first digit. It means our first digit is greater. Then we have to take the greater number. So our answer will be 16. 16 into 16, that will be 256. If you want to check, you can check it. What we have done, I am repeating the process. Once you are aware with this process, it will be very easy to find out square roots. Now 16. We have to divide the number in two parts. It is 56. So the last digit is 6. We have to check in 1 to 10 square, where is 6? Over here, it is in 4 square and here in 6 square. So we will write that whether 4 or 6 will be our unit place digit. Now we have to check for the first digit. So for the first digit, what we will do, we will take the number that is 2. Now we have to check which number is lesser than 2. Here we can see it is 1 in squares. Not here. We will check this side or answer side. Correct? So 1 is less than 2. Correct? So we will take 1. So we will put 1. Now we got two values, that is 14 and 16. Of course, 14 square won't be 256 if it is 16 square. It is possible. There is only one possibility, whether it will be 14 or it will be 16. And if in options only 16 is given, then it is your good luck. But if 14 and 16 is both are given, then it is also our good luck, because you know how to find out the square roots. Now we have to check whether 16 or 14 will be our answer. What we will do? We will multiply that number 1 with next number, that is 2, and 2 is equal to 2, obviously, because our first number is 2. So that will be, or we will take the greater number, and in 14 and 16 the greater number is 16. So our answer will be 16. Now we will go through the examples, more examples, so that you can understand it very well.